Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. Top dividend paying stocks. How do you like to find those using VectorVest? The power of VectorVest will give us that ability to find top dividend paying stocks in just a couple of seconds. Let me demonstrate. Right, so I'm going to hop over here into VectorVest. So here I am in VectorVest. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on this tool up here called Unisearch. Unisearch will allow for us to find certain parameters in stocks. So if I click on Unisearch here, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look for top dividend paying stocks. So I want to find stocks with a dividend yield of 3% or better. Now just to show you in Unisearch down the left here, you can look at all the different ones we've created for you already in terms of the Unisearches. There's some excellent ones there already. But for today, I'm going to go and write a new search. It's quick and easy. So I'm just going to click here, new search. Where it notes a parameter, I'm just going to simply say find me stocks with a dividend yield of greater than or equal to 3%. Right, so if I was to run that search as of the 24th of September, here are all the stocks being returned where in Australia the dividend yield is 3% or better. So if I click on all over here, so instead of showing the top 25, let's show all. And you can see here if I scroll through, I've got a fair few at my fingertips. All right, let's take it one step further. Let's make sure that we're finding stocks where the dividend yield on offer is at least 3%, but that company has a very good safety track record of meeting or exceeding the dividends on offer. So I'm going to come into here, hover my mouse over stocks, hover my mouse over dividend analysis, and then select dividend safety, and in here I'll say greater than or equal to. Dividend safety is on a score of 0 to 99. So we find here in Australia a score of 60 or better is an excellent score of finding those safe dividend paying stocks. Run the search again. Now we're limiting the search. I'm going to throw in one additional parameter. It's all very well finding a nice safe dividend paying stock, but what if the track record of that stock hasn't been that great? So we have a great parameter in VectorVest called Comfort Index, CI. It's looking for stocks that have nice smooth left to right price patterns on average. So if I come to here and I click on stock, and here I'll go capital appreciation, and here I'll then select Comfort Index, and let's do this, greater than or equal to, it's on a score of 0 to 2. So I'll say it must be above 1 or better. Here we go, let's run the search. And now we'll bring back all these stocks. And all I do now is I just simply select the first couple here. And I'm going to graph them. And I'll bring the graphs across. And they should jump out at me. I need to see stocks that are jumping out at me. So I can see over here, I've got good volume, 455,000. The average volume coming through a day is 320 odd thousand. Plenty of liquidity there. A good dividend yield of 3.8, and I can see historically over the last year or so it's been hovering around about that 3.8 to just on 5 odd percent. I've put in an additional parameter, earnings per share. This is a 12-month leading forecast on earnings. I like to see those earnings continuing to power on, not a bad looking share from a left to right price pattern perspective. So let's look at the next one here, FMG, same deal, great earnings, great volume coming through, great yield on offer. And that's how quick and easy it is at VectorVest to find those top dividend paying stocks in just a couple of seconds. And as you scroll through, you want one that really jumps out at you. And if I was to scroll through a bit further here, look at that, great set of earnings, great volume coming through here, excellent yield on offer. PL8 is the ticket code for that one, for example. Okay, so quick and easy, just a couple of seconds, I was able to go and find those top dividend paying stocks. All right, so the power of Unisearch, the power of VectorVest, you've got it all there at your fingertips. If you're interested in taking out a trial to VectorVest, hop along to www.vectorvest.com.au. So what I'll do there is I'll load it up for you, www.vectorvest.com.au. So I'll just type that into my browser here, bring it across for you here. There it is. If you want to take out a trial, risk-free trial. So you click on there, www.vectorvest.com.au, risk-free trial in the top right corner. You can fill out your details for $9.95 USD. Take it a trial for 30 days. Give it a go. You'll get everything that I've shown you here at your fingertips each and every day for those 30 days.